Hey guys, hope you are doing great. Today in this video we are going to talk about another important Excel functionality, which is the average function. Let's jump to the table of contents. We'll be talking about four main functionalities. The first one is the average function, the second one being the AverageA, and next we'll be talking about AverageIF and AverageIFS. The average function, also known as the mean, returns the average of all the arguments. It is also defined as the sum of observations upon the number of observations. Let us now see how the average function works. The average function only takes into consideration the numeric values of a particular range of cells. So, to find out the average of the cost price of all the products here, we need to enter is equal to average and select the range of cells. Press enter. You find out the average of the cost prices comes out to be 6400. Let's double check this by calculating the sum and the count. The average function considers only numeric cells, and hence the count should also be the count of numeric cells. So first let's calculate the sum. The sum comes out to be 64,000, and let's do the count is equal to count, and by selecting the range of cells it should not consider the text value here, which is 12,000. Let's press enter. You see that the count has come only 10, it has not come 11, since it does not consider the text value of 10,000, and the average would be sum upon count, which is 64,000 by 10, which is 6400. This is how the average function works. The AverageA function returns the average of its arguments, including numbers, text, and logical values. Let's see how the AverageA function differs from the average function. The AverageA function not only considers the numeric cells, but it also considers the text cells and the cells with logical operator values. To calculate the AverageA of the cost prices of all the products here, let's enter is equal to AverageA and select the range of cells. Press enter. You see that the AverageA has come out to be different from the average. Let's see what's creating this difference. We'll start by calculating the sum by entering is equal to sum and selecting the range of cells. The sum is the same. Now let's do a count. The count will not be a normal count, it will be a count A. Since the average A includes numeric cells, text cells, and logical operator cells, the count A also includes the same, and we need to incorporate this into the formula. Is equal to count A and select the range of cells. The count A has come out to be 11 since it has included the value of 12,000 that's written in text here. Hence, by dividing the value of sum 64,000 by 11, you get the average A as 5,818 rupees. The AverageIF function. It returns the average of all the cell values that meet a given condition. Let us now understand how the AverageIF function works. The AverageIF function calculates the average of the cost prices of all the products where a particular condition is met. The condition is on the category column. Let's choose the furniture category. To calculate the average, let's enter AverageIF and select the range first. The range is the category column, comma, what's the criteria? The criteria is the furniture value, comma, what's the average range? The average range is all the cells in the cost price column. Press enter. Hence, we see that the average for all the products where the category is furniture is 3,333 rupees. The AverageIFS function. It returns the average of all the cells that meet multiple condition criteria. The AverageIFS function is an advanced version of the AverageIF function where it not only calculates the average on the basis of one condition but on multiple conditions. To find out the average of the cost price of all the products where the category is furniture and the subcategory is bedroom, let's enter is equal to AverageIFS, the average range first, which is the cost price column, the criteria range 1, which is the category column, the criteria 1, that's furniture. Next, let's jump to the criteria range 2, that is the subcategory column. And finally, the criteria 2 of the subcategory column, that is bedroom. Press enter. You see that the average of the cost prices where the category is furniture and the subcategory is bedroom comes out to be 3000 rupees. I hope you liked watching this video. Please hit the like button. Do not forget to share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.